So your hose in the back looks like this. From the water pump, it goes through here into this, and then into the heater core, and then comes back out of the heater core and up this way. However, you see this tube is a bypass. So when you try to flush out your heater core, it goes through the bypass. So what I'm doing is I got this. I can reach down in there and pinch off the bypass. So I'm going to pinch off the bypass and try to feed water back through this way, back through here, going the opposite direction, and unclog the heater core. Well, that's what I'm going to try to do. So we can clamp off the bypass. I don't know if this thing is picking it up. A long clamp. Down there. And down there. Using a long clamp, I can clamp off the bypass. I mean, I don't know if that's okay, because you generally, if it's clogged, you want to go the other way. Alright, I pulled this hose off, and I got it tied back. So I got that exposed, see some garbage in there. And I pulled this hose off. Hose. Is it even lighting up? I pulled that hose off. That is this hose. And I gotta force water into this side, into that tube. Right now I have the bypass open. Alright, so I added a hose so I can route my water out this way. And I'm trying to feed this way. And it was giving me, and I got it pinched off. I got it pinched off. You can see down in there, it's pinched off, the bypass. And this was giving me severe resistance before. It was just, the hose was filling up and then popping off. See, it's still giving resistance. I have to hold it on real tight. I can't really aim over there. You can see not a lot of water coming out over there. And you can hear that how tight I have to hold this on. Now, let's try going the other way. I haven't tried going this way yet. Did that pop off? Less resistance this way. Something, there was like a plunk. There was a plunk noise or feeling like something gave way. Let's see. The resistance is going this way now. Oh, no resistance. It's flowing a lot better now. Now it's really flowing. I can actually take this off. So you can't even see. Let's go back the other way. I'm gonna check my clamp, make sure my clamp didn't come off. Let's try. Where's my light? I gotta check my clamp. I still have to replace the water pump on this damn thing. Well, the clamp is still on. And this is a Harbor Freight clamp. When I got it, it had burrs all up and down the side. So if I had clamped it on there, probably would have cut my friggin' hose in half. So I got out my my rotor tool, whatever, and I grinded down the teeth. Grinded down all the burrs and the teeth so they won't be sharp. Because it's Harbor Freight. Frick do I care. Probably gonna break anyway. Alright, I'm gonna try to go back and forth again and see if it's loosened. Let's see. $77, and it's about 45 out right now, or 30s. Oh, actually I have outside temperature. It's 28 out. So, yeah. That's heat. Still, we should be seeing that kind of heat coming up. Let's see the main one. Oh my God.